Thomas the Tank Engine was having a jolly old time until... What the... Free the rails! Free the rails! Free the rails! Free the rails! Dude, you're singing it wrong. It's free the roads. See? Look. Oh. Free the roads. Free the roads. I'm not having any of this. Yeah. He's protesting against our protest. Kill him. Well, howdy there, Sody. Yar, welcome to the docks. This isn't very big. Yeah, there's much to do. You're telling me the only fun thing to do is fling Skarloey about. Whoa! Oh. I think you killed him. Eggs! Get your free eggs! I'll have an egg. Or let me just get you an egg. Right. Oh no. Boom. Ow. Yar, he be dead, matey. I will go now. Oh, hey, Edward. Hey. No, my eggs! My beautiful eggs! Oh! Hey, Skarloey. Oh, hello, Henry. Hey. Here, let me help you up. Alright, thank you. You're welcome. Alright, we're now both up here. Grenades. Yar, what's going on over there, matey? Thomas is, like, protesting or something. Yeah! You just killed him. Don't care. Hey, guys. Hey. Well. I just realized Toby actually landed on his wheels. That's pretty cool. And that night, those who were still on the rails went to this sheds. Oh, that's like half the engines. Oh.